So here we are, guys. Look, I got my bananas. Ooh, almost slid off the thing. They're sectioned into four little sections. So remember those two bananas I had? And then again, I got my Jif peanut butter. It doesn't have to be Jif, but hey, choosy moms, choose Jif. Okay? Really simple, everyone. It is just as simple as that. You take your nice big spoon, you dip it in the peanut butter. Okay, this is how I do it. You don't have to get fancy. This is a quick snack for everybody. In the peanut butter, on the banana. Now, look, there's other options you guys can do. There's definitely putting it on, there's rice cakes you can also add this to. You can add this to toast. What I usually do if I have a lot of time at home is chop this up, put it on toast, and then put some strawberries on there too. And I'm telling you right now, bananas, peanut butter, strawberries. Don't knock it till you tried it. Okay, everyone? There's another thing you may want to add to, like I said, granola is another part. Make sure it's already broken up. This one says protein on it, but it doesn't have to be that. You guys can get your little oatmeal granola when you safely shop at your supermarkets. Time to eat.
Hey guys, it's Coach Maricela here. Basically, this is my breakfast. I have turkey, bacon, I have hard-boiled eggs, and avocado. So how I do the turkey bacon is I just use this brand. You can just microwave it. So you basically just grab a regular plate, you put the turkey bacon, and you cover it with a napkin. It should last about 1 minute or 1 minute and 30 seconds. For the hard-boiled eggs, I do need you guys to make sure that your parents help you with that step. And this can be done in a batch, like the Sunday before, so you guys have it ready for the week. And then I use avocado. I do like to add salt and pepper to this just because it just gives it more flavor, but this is my breakfast.
Hey guys, Coach Jen here with your Meal Prep Monday tip. So for this breakfast tip, you're pretty much going to need 3 simple ingredients. The first is going to be a yogurt. It can be the yogurt of your choice, flavor of your choice. Doesn't specifically have to be this brand with this specific flavor. It can be whatever you want. The second is going to be a fruit, at least for myself. I'm going to use a banana. And then the third ingredient is going to be granola. So before you start, make sure you have these 3 ingredients. And obviously before you guys prepare any food or put any snacks together, you guys want to make sure that you do wash your hands, especially with everything going on. So at least for myself, I washed my hands before I started this video. So I'm going to go ahead and just start. So pretty much for myself, I like to do this specific breakfast snack because I'm a commuter. So for those of you that don't know what a commuter is, a commuter is somebody that works a bit of a distance, a bit far from wherever they go to school or where they work. So for at least for myself, having something quick and easy is always, makes my life easier. For you guys, this can be a good tip to use, especially when you guys wake up late or your parents wake up late. This is something that it's just quick, simple to do. So what I do is I slice up a few slices of banana. I don't typically use the whole thing because the yogurt isn't that big. I use about half, and then the other half I eat it just like that. So after I add my banana, I go ahead and I add my granola. So typically you don't want to put your hands in there, especially even if you guys wash your hands, you just want to make sure you're being safe, you're being healthy. So I just pour it out straight from the bag. I add a little bit of granola, again, not too much because the container is a little bit small. And then after that, once I've added it in there, I go ahead and I mix everything together and it's pretty much ready to eat. So I hope you guys like this tip and you guys give it a shot. Bye guys.
Hey guys, this is Coach Daniel here. Just want to share with you one of my snacks that I like to eat when I'm always on the go. It's pretty simple. You only have 2 ingredients. One is the rice cakes. Yeah, they sound pretty boring, and they actually are pretty boring if you eat it by yourself. But what I like to do is, here, hold on, let me just take this out. So what I like to do is add peanut butter. The kind of peanut butter that I actually eat is old-fashioned pure peanut butter. There's nothing in it. So if you eat this kind, you know that you have to actually stir it a little bit just to mix it, because the oil in the peanuts likes to separate from the actual peanut. So you'll stir it and then just apply it like you would on toast or anything like that. But like I said, I'll use the rice cake because I feel like it's healthier. And just spread it on top. Pretty simple. You can add a lot of it if you want to. That's what I like to do. Just like that. And then for today, I'm just gonna put peanut butter, that's it. But sometimes I like to add fruit on there. For example, I've added bananas. I've added actually sliced apples too. Just add a little bit more flavor to it. So yeah, it's pretty simple. That's all you really have to do. No toasting involved, nothing like that. And always, remember, always wash your hands before you do this, all right? Thank you, bye-bye.
Hi guys, my name is Coach Monica and I'm here to show you guys what I normally eat for breakfast daily. All you're gonna need is an egg, a fruit, I chose an apple, and a glass. So my breakfast usually consists of a meal that is high in protein. To eat high protein meals is great so that you don't start snacking on things that you shouldn't be snacking on. For a child that is normally 9 to about 13 years old, you should be taking in about 30 grams of protein throughout the day, which equates to about 10 to 12 grams of protein per meal. So an egg has about 6 grams of protein, a glass of milk. In my case, I drink a protein shake, but a glass of milk for you guys would be about 10 grams of protein, and then an apple, you know, just to get one of our fruits and veggies in early on in the day. So when I boil my eggs, I like to add a little piece of lemon or lime in with the eggs. It's a little tip that I saw on Instagram. It helps you to peel the hard-boiled eggs once they've cooled down. You're probably wondering what this little funky fruit is here. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's a dragon fruit. I saw they were on sale, so I'm gonna toss that into my morning routine this week. The reason why I love this breakfast is because it's really easy to make and to prep. I can just leave it in the fridge and have little containers of fruit and egg and my protein shake just ready to go in the morning when I'm heading to work. And it's something that requires minimal supervision. So some of these things you can do without your parents' supervision. I mean, you guys can pour yourself a glass of milk. You guys can grab an apple, take a bite. And the hard-boiled eggs might take a little bit of adult supervision. I recommend, especially if you don't normally cook. But that's something that you can do on the weekends when they're home. And peel them and just leave them in the fridge, and you don't have to worry about it for the rest of the week. So that's my breakfast. Have a good one.
Hi everyone, I'm Coach Grace and I'm about to share with you one of my breakfast meals. Today I'll be making scrambled eggs with sausage on the side. And all you'll need is butter, a bowl with 2 eggs and fork, and your sausage which these in particular are microwavable, which they're in the microwavable bowl. So first you want to crack the eggs, and I add a little bit of black pepper. I don't add salt because my butter has salt. And then I scramble the eggs. So first you're going to turn on your stove to medium. And then you're going to add the butter and make sure the butter melts and make sure it's all over your pan. And after that, you're going to pour your eggs. Oh look, my eggs are brown now. So now that my eggs are done, now it's time to put the sausages in the microwave. Now I like to cover them with a napkin. So this is the final product. The reason I love this breakfast is because it's high in protein and low in fat. So try it out or try cooking it for your family. Make sure you wash your dishes.